Hello everyone, welcome to Z Lessons. In today's video, just because there's no power, as you can see, because of electricity issues, we are going to use this flashlight from my mobile phone, and we are going to solve this question. So let us do this. My battery is almost drained out. It's at 7%. So when I rush, do not get annoyed, just bear with me, okay? Just bear with me. So this question came in grade 12 2023 paper 2. So we're going to go through this entire question altogether. So the question reads as follows. The diagram shows a trapezium OABC. As you can see, these outer vertices OABC form a trapezium in which OA equals 2A, so those are vector units, and OC, vector OC equals 3C, and vector AB equals 3AC. So this length from A to B equals this length multiplied by 3. Okay, so that's what it means. And D is the midpoint of AC. So where is D? D is there, and it's the midpoint of AC. So this length here from AD and this length from DC are equal. So that's what it means, because D is the midpoint. And we are taught to do what? Express in terms of A and or C. So in our answers, they should be A and or C. Okay, in all our answers that we solve. So I'm just going to go real quick in answering, because my phone anytime will shut down. Okay, so let us do it real quick. AC. So what is vector AC? If you think about it, vector AC, we are going to solve it as we have been doing with all other problems. AC can be found by, as you can see, AC. We can go from A to C by using the triangular rule of adding vectors. So we're going to say AC equals AO plus OC. So AC is equals to AO plus OC. These are vectors. Okay. So what is OA? Or AO, I mean. What is AO? As you can see, when we travel from A to O, we are going in the opposite direction of this vector. As you can see, the arrow is suggesting that we go from O to A. But since in this problem, we are going in the opposite direction, we add a negative to that 2A, to that magnitude. So it's going to be negative 2A. Don't forget that. That's very important. Vectors direction is very important. What is OC? OC is just 3C. So it's going to be positive 3C, like so. So now in mathematics, we tend to write the first term that is positive followed by a negative term. So we can rewrite this as 3C minus 2A. Okay. So that's how we answer this question. It's very hard to solve whilst I'm holding the phone, but I'm trying to do my best. Okay. What of OD? What is vector OD? So to find OD, this is what we need to do. We're going to move from O to A, then we're going to move to half of what? AC. We know that half of AC is AD, not so? Yeah, so that's what we are going to do. We are going to move from OA then to AD. So now, since AD is half of AC, that's what we are going to use. So we're going to say OD equals OA plus 1 over 2 of what? AC. That's how we are going to solve this vector, because if you think about it, this AD is just half of AC. So that's what we are going to do. Then we're going to equate it. Then we're going to say, what is OA? OA, if we look at it, it's 2A. So it's going to be 2A, like so, plus half of what? AC. We already know AC. We have found AC. So we're just going to say AC is 3C minus 2A, as you can see. So all we have to do is just rewrite it, and we will be warm and dry. So we can rewrite it as 2a. This is just going to be plus 3c over 2. Then this is going to be minus 2 over 2a, as you can see. Then we're going to say 2a. This is going to be, if we say that 2 into 2, 1. 2 into negative 1, it's just going to be negative 1. So it's going to be negative a here plus 3 over 2c. As you can see, so that's how you answer this question, equals 2a minus a. It's just going to be equal to a. Then this is just going to be equal to 3 over 2c. So that's our answer for that question. So just because the power is going to go out anytime, let me just get a piece of paper and answer the rest of the questions here. So this is question 3. OB. So how in the world are we going to find the OB? So to find OB, if you look at our diagrams here, to find OB, we need to move from what? OB is equals to OA plus AB. So OB is equals to OA plus AB. So these are easy vectors, okay? So what is OA? OA is equals to 2A like so, plus AB. Remember in the problem statement, they said that AB is what? 3 times OC. So that's how we interpret that. So it's going to be 3 times of what? OC. So what is OC? OC, we know that OC, because of the diagram, OC is just 3C. So just going to be, OC is going to be 3C like so. So it's just a matter of multiplying it with a scalar. So 3 is that scalar. What is 3 times 3C? It's going to equal to 9C like so. So we have solved our question right here. So now let us just look at the last part and we call it a day. The last part is question 4, and question 4 says that BD. So how in the world are we supposed to find BD? So BD equals, we're going to travel BA plus AD, because we already know what AD is, okay? So that's the direction that we are going to take. So BD equals BA plus 1/2 of AC. Okay, so that's how we're going to find BD. So what is BA? We already know that we have been given AB, so we just add a minus to that, okay? And yes, that will be our answer. So it's going to be minus what? 3 OC. It's very hard to record whilst I'm holding the phone, so just bear with me. Half of AC. What is half of AC? As you can see, we already wrote this, so we're just going to write out this again. So AC is equals to 3C minus 2A. Okay? So we're going to say 3C minus 2A. So that's what is happening here. Okay? So that's what is happening. So that's us interpreting all this out. So now what's next is that we just rewrite this. So this is going to be a minus. This is going to be 3. What is OC? OC, as you can see, OC is 3C right there. So we're just going to say 3C right there. Then we're going to do this. So since here we already know what will happen, we are going to have a 3 over 2C. Then here we are going to have a what? A minus what? A. Okay, so that's how we do it. So this will result in what? We are going to have a minus 9C plus 3 over 2C minus A. So that's what we are going to have. So now, after doing that, we can say that when we add this, it's going to give us, if you want, you can end here, but if you want, you can further simplify it, and it will be a negative 7.5 of C minus A. So that's the end of our problem. So we have managed to answer all the questions, and if you have followed along, make sure that you subscribe for more related content like this that I'm going to continue uploading on this channel. So now we are dealing with vectors. In the previous videos we were dealing with matrices, and sooner or later we are going to have all those amazing concepts like calculus, geometry, and all that stuff. So if you're new, make sure that you subscribe, you share, you like the video, and I'll see you very soon. Thank you so much, and have a nice day. And just to add dramatic effect, I'm just going to turn off the light so that you see the aftermath of Zasco. Thank you so much. Happy load shedding.